What's up, lads? Today I'm gonna be doing s- soy review. I'm putting my life and manhood on the line for this review because Soylent. It's full of estrogen. I'm basically going through HRT, but for doing this. So I'm an investigative journalist. I'm putting my life on the line. This is going to be a fun one. And it's kind of like a little crossover series. I have the quesadilla review, which is like my food review. I've got the epic unboxing where I do epic unboxings. Today is like it's combined. So this has got like shrink wrap on it because it was made by soy devs in Silicon Valley. So we're gonna see if I can open this. All right. See, it's coming off. My, epic unboxing has paid off, lads. Oh, oh. I guess I don't have to take all of it off. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna give it a go. Oh, it's sealed off. More epic unboxing in this review. All right. So Soylent. This is it's 400 calories per bottle. Damn. That's a lot for a bottle of soy. So, this is the cacao flavor. I don't know why they can't call it like chocolate. I guess, these are trendy hipster types. I can't blame them for being trendy and hipsterish. So I'm going to give this a go. Let y'all know if the hype is justified on soy. So, pinkies up, lads. It's shit.